Hello everyone. Today I am showing in a one simple things how to label one in your data. I have opened in a sample data in line format. So suppose your data have to more than one information in your data. Okay, I have to open my data and here is the three attribute table, table number A, B and C. So how to label is on in showing in the three attribute table in your data. Okay, so one label shown in data is the simple things. You have to click in this data and you have go to in label panel and then you have to select in a single label and you have to select in the in your attribute table A, B, C, anything. Okay, I have to select in a table app, then you have to apply. Here is the one information have to shown in your QGIS software, but how to possible in three attribute in your shown in your QGIS software have to shown. Okay, so let's start how to possible. Okay, so at first you have to open in your data and then you have to click in a double click in your data, then you have to go in and label control panel. Okay, label features is labeling and then you have to click mm, in a single label. Okay, then you have to click in a uh, value table and click in a expression builder. Okay, when expression builder is open, then you have to put it in some function and that I have to shown. Okay, so at first you don't know how to attribute table in your data. So my sample data is three attribute table is here, table number A, B and C. So at first you have go to in a field and value. Okay, then you have to click in your attribute table. I have to click in my data in table number A. Okay, then you have to click in a string concatenation. Okay, then you have to click in a new line. Okay, and the concatenation has to be close, string concatenation click in. Okay, then you have to click in the table number B and then same process you have to click in the string concatenation and then you have to click in the new line and new line has to be closed in string concatenation. Then you have to select in the attribute tables BC. Okay, so here is the preview 210. My attribute table, yeah, three attribute table. So three attribute table shown in a one. You have to put it in your this formula. I have to uh, shown in my video in below description. You have to copy and you have to put it and you have to apply this formula. Okay, then you have to click OK, then apply and then OK. Here is the three attribute table in one click. You have to click in one line, you have to shown in the 210. Here is the showing in the 210. Okay, here is the click in the identity tool. So here is the 110. You have to shown 110. Okay, this is the process how to shown in the multiple attribute field in level on in your data. Okay, okay, thank you. I think this video is very helpful for all of you. If anything doubt, any confusion, please comment in my comment box. I will definitely help you. Okay, thank you.